Well, guys, I was on my way to Macedonia. Had to get through Greece first. Leaving Greece, Athens, there you can see, running to the train station literally with all my bags. So sitting down was a blessing because it was so hot and I had all my bags. Just trying to run and hurry up and jump on that train. Headed to Skopje, which is the capital of Macedonia. Super excited about that. The journey consisted of me leaving Athens to Thessaloniki, which is another city in in Greece, I'm sorry. And those famous bathrooms there. And yeah, I just had to get my way from Athens to Thessaloniki to Skopje. It was quite a bit of a journey, but you know, it is what it is, traveling through Europe. Hello guys, I just made it to Macedonia. My first impression is that it's lots of flies here. And it wasn't that bad to cross the border. They did have to call me out and I had to go down there and get checked. I look a complete mess, but I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed to look a mess on camera. But anyway, here we are, Macedonia, baby, 60th country. I am slowly but surely getting through Europe, one country at a time. And it's about to rain. Can y'all hear that thunder? Yeah, it's about to rain. I almost couldn't hold it. Like, we're on the bus, but there's no bathroom. I took a train and then I had to take a bus. But thank God the train station was at the same station that the bus was leaving from to get out of Greece. So it wasn't that bad. But anyways, I made it, y'all. Thank God. It's a long story. I'll tell you about it later. But as far as right now, the clouds kind of dark. It's going to be raining. I'm sad because I need to sign up for a tour. But anyways, I'll let you know how it goes in a second. Excuse how horrible I look. I look absolutely horrible, y'all. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm looking like this on camera. But anyways. So I'm back. Just a quick little update. Getting ready. I finally checked into my hostel, and I purposely booked this place because it was 5 minutes away from the actual terminal. But it took me 25 minutes to walk here because the GPS had me walking in circles, mainly because I didn't know where I was going, and if I would just look at the map and knew where I was going, kind of roundabout, then it wouldn't have been that bad. But it actually ended up being really annoying. So I got lost, but I ended up finding it, thank the Lord. And I'll update a little bit more, but I did make it to Macedonia safely. There's a big shopping mall. I guess their version of a shopping mall. So I'm gonna go check it out. They only accept cash here, so if you ever come to Macedonia, bring your cash, and not just any cash, only their currency, which means I'm gonna have to end up Western Union myself some money because I'm not withdrawing anything from no ATM. It's gonna cost me a fortune, and that's just inconvenient. Come on now, Macedonia, y'all need to get up on y'all stuff. Who just takes cash nowadays? But I don't know how to get into this little shopping mall. It's called Vero. Well, y'all can't see the trees in the way. But yeah, just walking on the street of Macedonia, Skopje. I think that's how you say it. I think I'm on the wrong side, y'all. I'm going the other way. Let me just go around. I saw people walking towards that way, so let me just go that way. I don't want to get hit by a car in Macedonia. But anyways, I do look a hot, stinking mess. That's because I am. I came from a train ride. My first time riding a train in Europe, like long term. Wasn't nothing exciting. You know, honestly, my bus rides have been better. Then I rode a bus. The train dropped me off at the bus station, which was perfect because I didn't even have to stay another night in Greece. I could just catch a train and then catch the only bus. It was only one bus leaving today. So, you know, everything relied on me getting there on time, because had I not, I would have to wait another 4 days, and I had to stay another 4 days in Greece, which I did not want to do. But yep, just walking to the mall, and I will update you later. I'm at the mall again because I just realized that yesterday when I was swimming in that boat tour in Greece, I ended up losing my sunglasses, so I gotta get a few items from the mall. But I ran across this other store, this New Yorker store, the same place that got me in trouble in Bulgaria. So hopefully I don't go too crazy, which I'm not. But anyway, just looking around at the mall. Okay, I just bought some new shades and they were so expensive, just like my other ones that I lost. I paid $1.25 for my other ones that I lost. And I typically bring 2 pairs, but I never end up using the second pair. But then this time, of course, when I need my second pair, I don't bring one. So I just bought another pair for $4. I'm cheap. You know the water's gonna be cold. Location. Hello guys, I'm in the canyon. Is it MATKA? MATKA. Oh, MATKA. Yeah, I was like, I don't think it's called Annika. So, excuse this little piece of hair that won't stay in my hat. We decided not to take a tour and explore it on our own for half the price. So we'll see how it goes. I'm getting ready to go kayaking for the first time. Somebody
this is
here.
your first time?
Yes, it is. She talked me into it.
Wow.
Did we leave our shoes here at least?
I'm leaving my shoes.
Oh, you're gonna leave your shoes. Leave where?
In the corner.
Okay. I'm going kayaking for the first time, guys. There's a first time for everything. I told myself every country I go to, I try to do something different. So, okay, and you are taking your bag. Okay, all right. She's taking her bag. I don't want my stuff to get wet. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the phone up because I gotta paddle with this thing.
I'll do the front.
Okay. Whatever you like.
Then, so if we're back at 4:45.
Oh, should I set my alarm?
It's 4:15, 4:45.
I can set.
An alarm.
I'm really big on keeping things in order. I'm gonna set my alarm. Trying to set this camera up, guys. Hopefully I'm not too close to the camera. All right, this is me kayaking. She's laughing at me. Yay! You say what?
I said I'm just laughing because you're like, it's like kayaking. TBH, 2 people kayaks are much harder than 1 people.
You said what?
2 people ones are harder than 1 person ones.
Why? Are you trying to say that I'm slowing you down?
No, I'm just telling you in general. So like, if If you feel like this is hard, don't let it throw you.
Oh no, I'm good. Like I don't even honestly care. Like I'm just vibing. I'm just vibing. I'm just vibing, guys. That's all.
Okay, let's let it curve first.
Okay. I need to invest in a waterproof bag when I get back to the States.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
Ew, they're gonna get us wet. Ugh. The next time a boat comes, we need to like,
There's nothing we can do.
we need to like move away from it. I'm a really bad kayaking partner. I'm talking to the camera. You wasn't supposed to hear that.
Definitely won't hear it on this boat.
Look at these. Look at, do y'all see this scenery? This is amazing. And this is in Macedonia. Like, this is not even a place that you've heard of before. I know you haven't heard of that place before.
Oh. North Macedonia.
So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off right now, and then we're gonna get in this cold water at some point.
I want to try to.
Oh my god! Girl, I don't think I can get in. Oh, it is so cold. Are you recording? Oh my god, y'all. This water is like, what did we say?
40.
It's like I'm burning up, and I'm like, okay, I need to just do it, right?
Just get in.
Okay.
It's cold.
It's so cold. I'm not swimming in this water. It like feels good cold, but it's still cold, and oh my god. I want to try to like swim to where you are, but or at least to right here. What do you think?
Go for it.
Okay. I have my life jacket on too. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm not trying to like over exaggerate, but it's so cold. Okay. Sorry, I can't. Oh my god. I'm gonna like waste all our kayaking time.
Okay, maybe we should. Let's get back in.
Okay.
You got this.
At least I got in.
You got in. You got in. Okay.
Very cool.
I was in Montenegro before.
What is that? Is that a dead something?
I wasn't there very long, just 4 days. But I was in Podgorica and Kotor.
Okay. I still have my life vest on. I'm thinking about getting in. I don't know. It's really cold.
I just wanted to see it because it was the capital and that's where my bus got into, you know, so. Or I took an overnight train from Belgrade.
Okay. Did that take a while?
I think it took 9 hours.
Girl, yes. Heck yeah. When we finally got up. Oh, girl, you scaring me. Girl, do you see these hues? I love that.
Stalaktydu i stalagmitu nie mamy, tutaj tego zjawiska jeszcze potrzeba bardzo długo, żeby to się połączyło. Wiesz, ten czas będzie tak to wyglądać, ale patrząc na
pictures. Like, they're not worth dying for. Wait, I'm confused with what I'm looking at. Oh, it's the reflection. How cool. Oh, it wasn't recording. Okay, so was the cake worth it?
Totally worth it. Our other fellow Americans tried to lead us astray and say we should just rent a kayak, but we were like, we're doing it anyway.
I'm glad we did.
And it was a
because
good call.
was so worth it. So make sure you spend the $100
In Macedonia.
Get over these views. These are honestly like probably hundreds of dollar views for real. Yeah, like typically you can't see this for $5.
Albania, you're gonna have to leave.
All right, y'all hear that thunder? We're here at the canyon still, and the bus is supposed to be here at 6 o'clock, and it is now 6:32, and it has not come yet. Met a new little friend here, and we got these taxi drivers harassing us, trying to charge us 3 times as much, but we're just gonna be patient. That's what I've been learning that works best since my travel started. Just being patient, and it'll all work out. So we will just watch and wait, or wait and watch.
See, that's the other thing they're building. It's huge.
It's bizarre.
Yeah. Well, maybe next time. It's always nice to do something for the next.
No. Too bad the top of your head is in my video, but we're approaching the cross. Oh, look, we can get even closer. Of course not.
I'll be worried if she said it.
Which one? Oh, this way. Smells like the zoo over here. Said the name of these things, except in Spanish.
Which is situated 4 kilometers in that direction. During the Roman time, we have lots of archaeological remains across the whole Macedonia. In Skopje, we can find the biggest amphitheater in Macedonia, and the only one actually in Macedonia is situated very near to Skopje. One of the idea of this project was that there were lack of public administrative buildings, and this huge block from this building over there, it's called the Officers' Dome. So the Officers' Dome and the National Theater both were destroyed in the earthquake, and the government, they decided to mind us when barter was much stronger and people used barter for. Even now, we start one huge project to make a facility. the things that they brought with them in this area, and they see here or on the first floor.
So excited. They do these ones in Melbourne.
Oh, you seen these? Oh, no, you can't see anything. It's just this pancakes.
In Melbourne, they do a crepe.
Doesn't matter. Say hello.
No.
It's too late. I already got you. We get in now?
Yeah.
Okay. We're sailing. And then we just come in the same.
Even you can put it inside.
Oh, okay. Hey, that's cool. We can put things inside of here. All right. Look at her do all the work. I'm just playing. Same spot, right? Yes, I'm sure. All right, kayaking for the second time. We're getting ready to kayak around.
Dude, I'm a naturalist.
And we got a bragger over here. We're getting ready to kayak around and have a good time. I don't think we have a certain time limit to return it.
Should we go through or out?
Let's go. I don't think it matters. We maybe can go out a little bit more and then go in. All right, let me go ahead and help her kayak.
No, you just sit there.
Oh yeah, I could just sit here. She's a pro. She's a natural.
Way back.
She's a natural. You want to see underwater? Let me see. Going down some. I think it actually is up a little bit. Yep. Tired. I hate when my GoPro starts getting water bubbles. You can't see anything. All right, let me go ahead and start.
Your baby. You're too young to have babies.
Yeah, she is too young. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. Hi. Say hello for the camera. Hi.
Oh, so cute.
She's like, I know I'm cute. I know you want to touch me.
$1, €1.
Mm-mm.
It's in all these little towns that, like, I know we have to climb up to that. We have to go look at that.
Well, I mean, it's like 1,000 degrees outside. Look at this massive Caesar salad.
I'll take a photo
OMG.
of both of us.
Unless you get like 50,000 of It kills me how so many places have. Ew! Look, I got a snail. Uh-oh. Turn them over. I am walking through all this grass just to see the sunset. Oh goodness, it's a little... Oh! Good grief. Ew, look at all the stuff. I just don't want to get bit by anything. Ew. Okay. Yeah, that's not my type. I don't know where I am. I don't think I came up this way. I don't know. Oh, sorry.
I'm not shaming you. I didn't even know why you didn't get chips.